In this video, we'll explain why an iPhone gets stuck in DFU mode and show you several safe and effective ways to exit DFU mode and get your iPhone working again fast. Part 1. Why is my iPhone stuck in DFU mode? Most of the time, it's caused by interruptions during an iOS update or flashing process, failed jailbreaks or third-party tools, serious system file damage, or even faulty power or volume buttons. Knowing the exact cause helps you choose the right fix and avoid getting stuck in DFU mode again. Part 2. How to fix an iPhone stuck in DFU mode. You can try the following fixes one by one to get your iPhone out of DFU mode. Fix 1. Force restart the iPhone. It's effective when DFU mode was entered by mistake or the system is only temporarily unresponsive. The steps vary by model. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold the side and volume down buttons together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold the home and power buttons together until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Restore iPhone in DFU mode via iTunes. If a force restart fails, it usually means the iOS system is more seriously damaged. Restoring the iPhone with iTunes or Finder can reinstall the firmware and exit DFU mode. Keep in mind that this process will erase all data on the device. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to your PC using a lightning cable. Step 2. As your iPhone is currently stuck in DFU mode, iTunes will notify you that the device is in recovery mode and prompt you to restore it. Step 3. Click OK, then hit the restore button and confirm your choice. iTunes will begin restoring your iPhone. Fix 3. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. If you want to fix an iPhone stuck in DFU mode without losing data, a professional iOS repair tool is a better choice than iTunes Restore. iOS system recovery can repair system-level issues and exit DFU mode while keeping personal data intact. Step 1. Launch the iOS system recovery program on your computer after downloading and installing it, and get a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. The program will automatically detect the connected device. Then please click More Tool iOS System Recovery tab on the main interface of the program to move on. Step 2. Later, this program will automatically detect your iPhone's possible problems and show them on the interface. Just click the Start button to keep going. Step 3. Finally, you are required to confirm your iPhone information on the screen. If it is right, simply click the Repair button to start fixing the iPhone stuck in DFU mode issue. If it is not correct, please select the right one manually and hit the Repair button to begin the repairing process. Fix 4. Contact Apple. If an iPhone remains stuck in DFU mode and won't turn on, it may have a hardware issue. In this case, taking it to an Apple store or an Apple-authorized service provider for repair is likely necessary. There are some things you can do to prepare for fixing. 1. Back up your iPhone data in case of data loss. If you cannot normally sync iPhone data to iTunes for backup, you can also restore iPhone data from DFU mode. 2. Prepare your Apple ID and password. Some repairs might need it. If you forget your Apple ID password, you can also reset your Apple ID password with Apple's help. 3. Bring your sales receipt for your iPhone. It may be necessary when you send it to a repair shop as proof of purchase. 4. Bring your device and all the original accessories. Sometimes that might be useful. 5. Check if you are required to book an appointment. You can make a call to the Apple Store or Apple Service for an answer.